Hello children, good morning, good afternoon, good evening whenever you're watching my video. And in today's class we are going to do chapter 3 back exercises. We are left with 3 exercises only and we are going to finish it today. And we'll try to start chapter 4. If we'll be not able to start it today, then we'll do it in the live class. And I'm happy that we are having live classes now, because it is quite difficult sometimes, as I discussed in last class as well, without having a contact with the teacher. Sometimes there are some doubts and you are not able to get them sorted. So I would suggest watch the videos carefully, then come to the class, so that you should be able to understand the things very well. So let's start the class. It is page number 40. It's page 40 and you have question number 5. Remplissez le blanc avec les articles indéfinis un, une, des. So here you need to put indefinite article, right? So let's start. Tu es / fille. Tu es / fille. You are a girl. So girl is feminine, then what we are going to put? In. Indefinite articles you are knowing well. A is for a or an. Un is also again a or an. But a we use for masculine and then un for feminine, then they for plural. So tu es une fille. You are a girl. So first answer is une. Question number 5. A part is une. Then you have Marie écoute / disque. Marie is listening to a CD. So CD is masculine, then un disque. Right? Sometimes there is a confusion if generally students take that if a noun is ending with e, then it's feminine. It's a very it's a big misconception, I would say. It's a myth, so don't follow that. You need to learn each and every noun, whether it's masculine or feminine, right? So ce sont ces écharpes. Ce sont / écharpe. These are some scarves. So some scarves is ending with s, so we have to put they. They. Right? Then we have j'ai / livre bleu. I have a blue book. So book is masculine, so we have to write un. Then mon frère porte / manteau. My brother wear / overcoat. My brother wear an overcoat, right? So manteau is masculine, then we are going to put un. Right? So now come to question number 6. Here you have a question where we need to put conjugation of 3 verbs. Number 1, être, then avoir, then aller. So we have already done these 3 verbs in previous class, or you can say in class 6 also. We are going to put these 3 verbs according to the sentence, according to the meaning of the sentence. So A1 is je / un garçon. I / a boy. Then I am a boy. What mean by être here? Être is to be, either I am, you are, he is, she is, like this. Then avoir means to have. I have, you have, she has, right? then aller is to go, right? If you are not knowing these three verbs, then you can use belong at the back of your book, and you can revise it once again. So, je suis un garçon. I am a boy. Right? I am a boy. Then Manuel slash au marché. Manuel is going to market. Right? You need to write the meanings of the sentence as well, because without meaning it is impossible to judge whether it will take être, avoir or aller. Right? So Manuel is going to market. What we are going to put here? Manuel va is verb aller. I am repeating, if you are not knowing the conjugation of three verbs, then once again go through it from belong. Then ce slash des pontons. This sentence indicates that ce always takes sont, S-O-N-T. It's a rule. So ce sont des pantots. These are some pants. Because ce sont, these are, and say this is. This much is again you have done in class 6. Then we have elle slash 11 ans. 11 ans indicates that we have to put avoir verb, because we always tell age with avoir. Then we are going to put a. Elle a 11 ans. She is 11 years old. Literally it means she has 10 years. No, she is 10 years old. So, nous slash en France. We are going to France. Right? So, nous allons. Nous allons. We are going to France. Right? Then we have les amis slash à l'école. The friends are going to school. Then again, aller go, V-O-N-T. Then we have tu slash indien. You are Indian. Then es. Être verb. Es. Then je slash une robe jaune. I have a yellow dress. So then I have avoir verb. ai, je. You need to write ai. Apostrophe is already there. Then Priya slash intelligente. Priya is intelligent. Then Priya is female, il or al. Then est. Answer for I is est. Then Mark et Marie slash une voiture. Mark and Marie are having a car. Right? Because they are going to is not there, or going in is not there. So Mark and Marie have a car. So how to write have with plural is ont, on. Right, everyone? So one last question and we'll wind up the class. That is, remplissez le blanc avec les articles définis, le, la, les or l'apostrophe. They all means the. Le for masculine, la for feminine, les for plural, l'apostrophe for vowel. Then voilà slash chambre de ma sœur. Here is the bedroom of my sister. So bedroom is feminine, then la. This was question 6. This one was question 6 and now I am doing question 7. Right? I hope you have written everything. If you have not written, you will be having answer keys as well. But it is important to write everything on the spot. So la. Here is the bedroom of my sister. Slash fee am slash chocolat. So fee means girl. So it is plural. Girls like slash chocolate. The girls like the chocolate. Girls are plural, then first is lay, and chocolate is masculine, then love. Right? Then we have Elle detests slash lay. She hates the milk. So milk is masculine. Then you have to write le. Le soir. I'm sorry, I have told you answer. Soir, je vais au cinéma. In the evening, I go to cinema. Evening is masculine, then low. Right? So then, je regarde le télévision. I am watching the television. So television is feminine, then la. Right? That's it. And we are through with chapter 3 and we are going to start chapter 4 in our live class. So till then, enjoy yourself, study hard, and don't forget to watch the video before you come to class, because sometimes it is difficult to connect when I am teaching, and there again students are so many things, and if you are not knowing what we are doing, then you won't be able to understand. So bye bye, take care, and don't forget to join the class. Bye.